Hello guys and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So this is a special reading para po sa may mga Sun, Moon, and Rising sign Aquarius. So if you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button, bell notification, and give this video a like. And this will be a timeless reading, meaning kung kailan mo ito napad na video, possible doon na yung time na kailangan mo yung message ng cards. Kung hindi nyo pa rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising nyo, this is important kasi sa dulo po ng video, meron po tayong link para dito. And also guys, sa mga gusto magkaroon ng access sa ating mga special readings, you can click po ang ating join button sa baba. So you will have also additional perks. At dun po sa mga naghahanap din po, or if you want to send donations, you can click po yung ating thanks button o yung parang heart sa baba. Alright, so these are the cards na nakuha natin. So we have your number 46, coming apart. Number 7, into the unknown. And number 23, Golden Palace. Now, yung mga deities mo, we have here Mars, number 5, passion, action, and perseverance. And the moon, emotion, instinct, and a wish to protect. Okay, Aquarius. Well, Aquarius talaga, may mga bagay na minsan kailangan mga bagay, pangyayari, mga tao, na we always need to let go. Intentionally and unintentionally. Yung mga bagay na sabihin natin na kailangan na talagang tapusin. Kaya nga sabi nila the only thing that is constant in this world is change. Ang tanging bagay na hindi nagbabago at patuloy na mangyayari ay mga pagbabago. So coming apart is advising you, hindi naman dahil sa gusto kong pasakitan ng universe. Bakit kasi nawala yung friendship ko with this person, or nawala tong opportunity na to, or nawala ko tong gamit na to. There's a saying na ang kamay na nakasara ay hindi makakatanggap. Ibig sabihin, may mga kailangan tayong bitawan. Kasi hindi mo ma-welcome yung mga bago sa life mo if you will not be letting go of what is old. You cannot move forward into the future kapag nakatali ka pa at nakayakap ka pa sa nakaraan. So coming apart is advising you, it's time to move forward, kapatid. It's time to let go of the past. Hindi naman sa let go nakakalimutan natin. No, we will be leaving it behind. Pero bibit-bitin natin yung mga life lessons. Bibit-bitin natin possible yung mga good memories. And from there, gagamitin natin yon to move forward to a better place, to a better opportunity. And which is yung kinakatakutan mo, which is the number 7, into the unknown. Well, nakatakot nga naman kasi once you go doon sa hindi mo alam, yun yung cause ng fear Hindi, kasi hindi mo alam yung anong meron doon. Ikaw, hindi mo alam. Pero yung universe, alam niya. So, it only shows na prepared na yung universe doon sa path mo. Ang iniintay na lang ikaw. Doon papasok yung tinatawag natin trusting the process. Trust the process na nililay down ng universe para sa'yo. Sundan mo kung ano yung pinapagawa. Sundan mo kung ano ba talaga yung kailangan mong gawin. There is this, may nagsabi na kung magdadrive ka, sabihin natin from Manila to Baguio ng gabi. At sabihin natin brown out all the way. Worst case scenario talaga. Hindi, makakarating ka pa sa destination mo. Nang nakikita mo lang kung nagdadrive ka, yung headlight mo, yung next 20 meters lang. Nagtatrust ka lang na yun na nakikita mo. Ganun din ang universe Hindi naman niya madalas pinapakita ng buo yung mga bagay-bagay. But the universe will allow you to see the next step lang. Ang hinihintay lang sa'yo, dumiretso ka, sundan mo yon. Same thing with driving. Kahit na 20 meters na nakikita mo dahil sa headlight mo, makakarating ka sa destination mo. So there's actually, the unknown is already prepared by the universe. Hindi ka naman dadalin dun ng universe sa ibang destination kung hindi din makabuti sa'yo. I think it's in 1 Peter, sinabi ni epistle ni Peter na all things work together for good for those who love Him. Lahat ng bagay, kaya nangyayari yan kasi at the end, there is a deeper and important and good reason. At ang makikinabang, well, nobody kung hindi din ikaw, Aquarius. Andun lang kasi siguro, as an air element, gumagana yung pagiging overthinker mo, over-analytical mo. Doon napapasok na hindi ka magtitiwala sa alam mo kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. Because what we can do At ano yung alam natin, limited yan. In contrast doon sa capacity and wisdom and knowledge na meron ang universe. So who would you trust? Yung capacity mo na limited at alam natin kulang o lagi may room for improvement, o yung universe at large na alam na ano yung kailangan mong puntahan and where you should be and what you need to have at the right moment. Destination, bigyan natin ng glimpse. Then, we have your number 23, Golden Palace. Yun lang naman ang gusto ng universe eh. Kasi andoon na, pag nag-overthink ka, you're just focusing on the now. Ang destination mo is the Golden Palace. And destination mo dapat is abundance. Nagtataka iba sa inyo, bakit hindi nag-grow yung abundance sa life ko? I'm sorry to say, pero mas madalas, ikaw din ang pumipigil doon. Bakit? You overthink, you overanalyze. Baka kasi, baka ganito, kasi ganyan, may ganito, may ganyan. Stop. Kalma. Pakinggan mo yung voice ng universe, yung titawag na still small voice sa heart mo. Ano ba yung meron doon? Ano ba yung binubulong ng universe in your heart? Listen to it. At andun, maraming part doon, maraming times mawiwindang ka. Ang layo nung logic doon sa pinapagawa ng universe. Okay lang. Trust the process. Ito na yun, Aquarius. Hinihintay ka lang mag-take ng leap of faith. Kaya nga faith sees the invisible and receives the impossible. Now, the deities protecting you is Mars, si Mars and si Moon. Mars is about aggression It's the raw energy, and Moon is about the emotions. It is time na makinig ka doon sa mga little things na naririnig mo sa heart mo. Yung iba sinasabi na tawag nito kutob, o yung sabi na konsensya mo. But, ako tinatawag siya still small voice. Ibig sabihin, andoon na nakikipag-usap, nangungusap pa rin yung universe sa'yo. Pinaparamdam nyo. That's the language of the universe Hindi siya words ipaparamdam niya sa'yo. It may be hard at first, mahirap, pero hindi ibig sabihin, hindi kayang maintindihan. Hindi dahil mahirap, iwanan na. Diba? Use that Mars energy, yung raw energy, yung aggression, that action. Kasi andoon may Golden Palace, your Golden Palace is awaiting. So yun yung gamitin mong drive. Yun yung gamitin mong direction mo. Yung abundance na naghihintay sa'yo to drive yourself using the energy of Mars in your life. So I hope nakatulong yung readings sa'yo. And remember, those readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And if you're new, please click the subscribe button, bell notification, and like this video as well. Kung naisip po magkaroon ng access sa ating mga in-depth and exclusive readings, all you need to do po is click yung join button sa baba and magkakaroon din po kayo ng additional perks for it. And sa mga gusto pong mag-donate, you can use yung ating thanks button sa baba, yung parang heart. Aquarius, maraming salamat sa'yo. God bless, namaste, Hare Krishna, blessed be, and hope to see you very soon. Mula po dito sa Dominican Hill in Baguio City, you have a great day and I'll see you very soon. Take care.